Click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
Yay, I won again.
Ugh, I always lose. It's not fair. Maybe I just shouldn't play anymore.
Ali, remember what Grandma always says, patience is the key.
Patience. That reminds me of Imam Hassan Al-Askari, the 11th Imam. Want to hear a story?
Story time? Yes, please.
Imam Hassan Al-Askari was born in Medina. From the time he was little, people noticed how smart, kind, and respectful he was. Imagine the best student in class, the one everyone trusts and listens to.
Like you, Zainab?
Maybe, but let's keep listening.
But when Imam grew older, the rulers were afraid of him. They locked him in his house in Samarra. They didn't let him meet people freely, because they knew everyone loved him.
That's so unfair. It's like when kids at school don't let someone join the game just because everyone likes them better.
Exactly. The rulers were scared of his goodness.
Even in such hard times, Imam Al-Askari stayed patient. He taught his companions through letters and guided them. His wisdom spread everywhere, even when he couldn't go out.
So even if things are tough, you can still find a way to do good?
Exactly. Like when our internet went out and we still managed to finish homework by helping each other.
Imam would quietly help the poor and those in need. He didn't need attention or thanks. He just wanted to help.
That's like when I shared my sandwich with Bilal but didn't tell anyone.
See? You're learning from Imam without even knowing.
And do you know what was most special? Imam Hassan Al-Askari prepared the world for Imam Mahdi, the 12th Imam. Imam Mahdi is still alive today, waiting for the time Allah allows him to return to bring peace and justice.
So Imam Hassan Al-Askari made sure we'd never be without a guide?
Exactly. He connected us to our living Imam.
So what can we learn from Imam Hassan Al-Askari? Be patient when life feels unfair. Help others quietly. Share what you learn with friends. And always remember our link to Imam Mahdi.
Wow, Imam Hassan Al-Askari was like a hidden hero.
And we can be little heroes by following his example.
Imam Hassan Al-Askari lived only 28 years. But his light shines through us today. Whenever you're stuck, ask yourself, what would Imam Hassan Al-Askari do?